Third one, homework. If T is equal to set of all x's such that x is a letter in the word T, find its subsets. Video is
No, ma'am. It is clear.
No, ma'am, it is clear.
No, ma'am.
okay. So exercise 6C. Homework question teeth. Tell me, what about the roster form? T, E,
T-E-H. T-E-H.
okay.
No, ma'am. T-E-H. No, ma'am. T-E-H.
T, E,
T-E-H.
okay. Number of
Number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 3. That is equal to 8.
subsets.
Subsets of T.
Subsets of T is equal to set TEH.
Set TEH. Null set.
Set
T, set
Null set. Set T. Set E. Set H. Set TE. Set TH.
Set TH.
TH.
Don't make confusion. First write TE, then after that with that same T you write H. Understood? That is better. Otherwise you will get confusion. TE, then with that same T you write TH. After that you write which one? After start EH. Then 8 will be there. Okay. So next point is subsets and proper subsets we studied. Next is a universal set. Universal set. Superset also we studied. No, superset also. That is A is a subset of B means B is known as a superset of A. That all things we have. We wrote that thing. No. Then universal set. Universal set. Write the side heading universal set. Universal. Universal set. Universal set. It is a set. Universal set means, example I will give you, that is better. Universal. Universal set. Universe. Same. Universe means what?
The earth.
We all are in the universe. Universe means it will include
whole
all.
world.
It will include all, no? So same way, universal set means,
Write in the notebook.
wait, I will say. Universal set means all the sets will be included in that. Suppose A is a set. Suppose A is a set 5, 6, 7, 8. Then B is equal to set 1, 3, 5, 7. Suppose. And C is equal to same text example I am saying 4, 6, 8, 10. Then which number to which number we can consider as a universal set? Tell me.
8.
It should include all the sets. It should include the elements of all the sets. That is known as the universal set. So, starting 1,
4, 5, 6, 7,
3,
8.
1, 3, 4, 5.
Don't say like that. 1, 2 also should be there. 2 also you should write. 1, 2,
But there is no T.
4,
5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9,
10.
Don't bother about what? Don't bother about 2. 2 is not there in any sets. But don't bother about that 2. But you should write from 1 to 10. Understood? 1 to 10
Yes,
you should
ma'am.
be. Understood? Universal set means it should be included in. Universal set means from this universal set only we are taking which one? A. From
Yes.
this only from B. And from this only we are taking C. This is a master. Universal set is a master. From there only we are taking A, B, C separate. Understood? So we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not taking 2. We are not taking 2. We don't want 2, so we didn't write that 2. So don't say that universal set, it does not contains what? 2. Universal set means check all the numbers and 1 to 10 you should. So universal set means it is denoted by the letter U. Universal. It is denoted by the letter U. Okay. It is a set that contains all the sets. It contains all the sets under consideration and its subsets also. That is known as the universal sets. Set which contains
ma'am.
all the sets and the subsets that are known as universal set, and it is denoted by what? U. It is denoted by U. Okay, so write the side heading universal set. Write the sentence universal set. Universal set. Now, instead of example, directly we can go with the exercise. Write this definition only. Universal set. It is the set. It is the set which contains. It is the set which contains all the sets. Which contains all the sets under consideration. That is, we are using this set term as its subsets. As its subsets, it is denoted by. It is denoted by U. While doing problems, it is very easy. Definition means sometimes you won't get. But if we start the exercise, then same question is what? Question number 4, exercise 6C, up to 3 we have done. Given the universal set. Question number 4 we can do. Question number 4 we can do. Given the universal set. Find. So from that, completed this?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll write the question. Number 4. Okay. Completed. Wait. I will wait. You can take. Then question number 4. Completed, no?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
So question number 4, same exercise up to 3 we have done. Then question number 4, exercise 6C, question number 4. Fourth question. Given the universal set. Given the universal set is equal to -7, -3, -1, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9. So think about the universal set. And after that only you can write which one. Find A is equal to set of all x's such that x less than 2. That is our question. Think about the universal set and we have to write which one. Set of all x's such that x less than 2. X less than 2. X less than 2. If we have food,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
only we can eat. Think of that. If we have food, then only we can eat. Understood? So that means,
Yes, ma'am.
think of that and answer to this question. Universal set. Which are the elements in the universal set? Think of that and you have to write this answer. X less than 2. Can we write x less than 2 all the numbers? X less
No,
than
ma'am.
2 means?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what will be our answer? Just try it. X less than 2. What I said, that think of that. Now you are all very hungry. No, that's why I am saying about food. X less than 2. X less than 2, 0, 1, 2. Less than 2 means from here onwards. No, less than 2. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3.
Ma'am, up to -7.
Up to -7.
So you are saying that answer as
From -7
-1, -3, -3.
uh,
-7, -3, -1, 0.
from where you are looking, this number line or this universal set?
universal
Ma'am, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3,
One,
-4, -5.
you are saying 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Going on.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then
No,
think and respond. Think and
-3, -0.
0, -1, -3, -7.
0. 0. Why? Because we can write 0. Why? Because it is there in the universal set. If you
Ma'am.
don't have, you can't eat. You don't have food means you can't eat. So same way, what? If you have 0, then only you can write here less than 2. So 0 is there. So you can write what? Less than 2. 0 is less than 2. The next step.
-1.
Is there or not? 0
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there. -1 is there. -1 we can write. Then -2.
-3.
Can we write
And
-2?
No,
-2.
ma'am.
-2.
No, ma'am.
No,
Why?
ma'am. -3. -2 is not in the universal set.
That is the reason. -2 is less than 2, but -2 is not in the universal set. So we don't want to write -2. So which one?
-3.
-3. Okay, -3. Then
-7.
-7 completed, no? So our answer is
Ma'am.
what? So our answer 0, -1, -3, -7. Understood? No? From
Yes,
the universal set only we can take. That's the meaning of that universal set. So now you understand what is universal set, no? Without
Yes,
further
ma'am.
explanation.
Yes,
Without
ma'am.
further explanation, it should be there. That is the main one. Main one is the universal set. Mother of all the sets, we can say that. All the subsets, mother of that. We don't want to say like that way, but for your understood now, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
-3, -7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next question, same question number B. Fourth, the second question. B is equal to set of all x's such that -4 less than x less than 6. So how can we write a B? Universal set, same universal set. So what are the things we have to write? Just try it, whether you are getting or not.
Less than and greater than 6.
This less than -4 in between. In between.
4 and
This is 4 and a positive 6. 0, -3 here, -2, -1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from where to where we want to take? From 5 onwards.
-3 to 5.
-3 to 5. 4 no need.
-3 to 5.
So in between -3 to 5, in between -3 to 5, how many? Not how many, which are the
Ma'am,
integers?
-3, -1, 0, 5. -1,
-1, 0, 5.
0, 5.
So if you don't know directly to write this means just draw a rough number line. That is better. From there you can find out. No, so it is easy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Number line not possible for exam now.
Number line?
Ma'am, drawing number line is not possible for exam.
Why? Take your working column and just draw a symbol. This much drawing I have drawn that artistic drawing here.
No, ma'am.
No,
Satvik.
do
What
it.
is
I said,
Satvik? This
ma'am,
much.
I said that time will go.
No, if you are thinking about that time and all means, if you can directly do means no problem. Otherwise, if you commit mistakes, better than committing mistakes is what? Doing the number line now.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you will commit mistakes sometimes. So it will be so. Don't just draw a rough. In 10th, you will draw. You should draw it neatly. In 10th, one chapter is I told no linear inequation. There you should draw a number line with equal distance with a scale and pencil. You should draw like that way. But here means a symbol. After that, you can rub also. Not bother about this. Okay, then next question number 5. Given the universal set, question number 5, given the universal set is equal to set of all x's such that x belongs to n and x less than 20. So, given in roster form or in set builder form. Question, universal set.
Roster form.
Set builder form. So, first with the set builder form, it is difficult for us to do, you know. So, we had changed that universal set into
Roster.
Roster form.
Roster form. We can convert that into roster form. So, how can we convert that universal set into roster form? So, first we want to write universal set is represented as U, you know. So, write universal set U. Set builder form x belongs to n and x less than 20. So, in roster form. From word. From to word.
From 1. 1, 3.
1 to 19.
From 1 to 19.
Okay, write down.
1 to 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. 20 no need. Up to 19 is enough. Then we can start the question. First one, A is equal to set of all x's such that x is equal to 3p. P belongs to n. P belongs to n. A is equal to set of all x's such that x is equal to 3p. P belongs to n. So we can take x is equal to 3p, no? First we can take x is equal to 3p. Then if p belongs to n means p belongs to all the natural numbers, no?
P equal to 1, 3
P is
into
equal to 1.
P is equal to 1, okay. P is
3
equal
into 1.
P is equal
3
to
into
1.
1,
X is equal to
3
3.
into 1
3.
to 1.
P is
If
equal
P is
to
equal to X is
3 into
3 into 2.
6.
6.
P is equal to
If
3. X is equal to 3
X
into
is
3.
equal to 3 into 3, 9.
etc. We can write now. Without calculating, we can directly write now. Word P belongs to n. P should belongs to n. Such that P belongs to n. So up to where we can write. P should be there in the universal set. P.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are thinking that P is equal to 19. So x is equal to 3 into 19. Is it correct or wrong? That is my question. You are thinking we are writing etc. 19 into 3. Can we, is this correct or wrong? And if it is right, explain. If it is wrong, explain. P belongs to natural number. What?
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Why?
X less than 20 only.
X less than.
In the universal set, X less than 20.
Universal set is what? X less than 20. Up to 19 only we have to take. Here, if we are taking P as 90, we got the value of X as 57, no? So do we want to take this 57?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. So we have to find out that no. After 3, P is equal to 3. Where we have to stop? That we want to find out. If P is equal to 4, X is equal to 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. X is equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 50. Mute it. 15. P is equal to 6. X is equal to 3 into 6 is equal to 18. P is equal to 7. X is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21.
Ma'am, no. Only up to 6.
No need.
Why? Up to
Because it
Up to 6. Up
Because it is greater than 20.
it is greater than
21.
So no need of this 21, isn't it? So what will be our set? Up to this you write after that. If P is equal to 1, P is equal to 2, P is equal to 3, P is equal to 4, P is equal to 5, P is equal to 6. That much is enough. Given P belongs to N, don't think that we can write up to 19. We can't write because X universal set is less than 20. That means X is a universal set, X such that X less than 20. So that value should be less than 20. That's why we wrote this is X is less than 20. That much only we have to take. So X is equal to, that is P is equal to 7 is not possible. So how can we write the set? In roster form. A.
3, 6, 10, 12, 15,
A, right. A is equal to set of all X. That X is in terms of P. So 3,
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
And 18.
up to 80. Is it okay now? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Clear now? Okay.
no doubt.
Okay. Then next question. Second one. Fifth second question. B is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 2n plus 3, n belongs to n. So this is an equation, no? So n belongs to n is given there. So n same as question number 1. You can substitute, no? Can we solve this? No. Or substitute?
No, ma'am.
No, we can't solve. Substitute only. We can't solve this. So n belongs to n. So we have to write n.
If n equal to 1.
Universal set is there. Already we wrote that. Starting itself you wrote universal set, no? So second answer B. B is equal to, for finding B, what we have to do? If n is equal to, now y is equal to 2n plus 3, y is equal to 2n plus 3. If n is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Up to where we have to write. Same as the previous question. Universal set less than 19, less than 20. N is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, isn't it? Then write down etc. Up to etc. You should complete it, don't write etc, okay? You should write. N is equal to 8 means y is equal to 2 into 8 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is equal to, so 19. Universal set up to 19 only. 2 difference, no? Here 5 to 7. The next number will be what? 9, no?
Ma'am,
2 difference.
We have to write up to 88.
Sure, you should write. N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, N is equal to 5, N is equal to 6, N is equal to 7, N is equal to 8. You should write full. After that only we will write which one B. Set B is equal to in roster form. After completing, tell me.
Completed, ma'am.
All of you.
No, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Do it. This question only need 10. Next question is easy. See, third one. No need of calculations at all. Directly we can write.
Ma'am, finished.
Completed. So how can we write set B? Set B we can write now. Therefore, answer is what? B. B is equal to set answer.
5.
Others, tell me, all of you. 5.
Set 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19.
19.
9. So this is the answer. Then next to question number 3. C is equal to set of all x are such that x is divisible by 4. X is divisible by 4. Think about the universal set. X is divisible by 4. What will be? Tell me the roster form.
Multiples of 4.
Divisible by 4 means it should be divided by 4. That means multiples of 4. No.
Yes, ma'am.
4,
4 ones are 4. 4 twos
8,
are 4 threes are 12.
4 4s are 16.
4 fours are
4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20.
No, 20
Up
not
to 60.
equal to 10 not there.
20 non-existent. 10 20.
20 needed.
No, ma'am.
Less than
No, ma'am.
20 is not in-
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
To 19 only we have in the universal set. So up to 18 only we need to write. So 4, 8, 12, 16 is the answer. 4, 8, 12, 16. Then from this question itself, I will explain about the complement. Completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So complement of set. Next section is a small topic. Complement. Complement of a set. No. Don't write now. Up to this completed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. Next topic is a small topic. Then only we can do one or two questions in the same exercise. 6C. Complement. Complement of a set means, suppose we have the universal set. Now we have up to 90. We got set C as 4, 8, 12, 16. So we have to find out the complement of the set, the C. C complement of C, we will denote it as C dash. C top, you will write it as 1. That is C dash, DASH. That is C complement. We will read it as C complement or C dash. Elements which are not in C, but it should be in the universal set, that is known as the complement of that set C. So what is complement of set C? Which are the elements in C? 4, 8, 12, 16. So C complement means elements which are not in C, but it should be in universal set. Suppose set 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to set 1, 2. What about A complement? Think of my question. What I said? Complement means
3 and 4.
Be in universal set.
it should not be in the set
Not
A.
be in the
Set
Set
A.
It should not be in A,
Universal
but it should be in which one?
universal set.
So 1, 2 is there. So balance, that is 3,
3, 4.
A complement. So which is the complement of C? See here, C.
C complement is equal to
C
1,
complement will be
9, 10,
1,
11,
2,
3,
4, 5,
6,
4 is what?
5, 6, 7, 9, 10,
9,
13, 15.
10, 11, 13,
13,
13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19.
That's all. Complement of the set. Complement of the set means what? Set of all elements in the universal set, but it should not be in that particular set. It should not be in that set. If you are considering this set C means it should not be in set C. Complement of C means it should not be in set C, but it should be in the universal set. Understood? Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the side heading complement. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Think of that complement. Complement, getting complement means what? It's not in our hand, no? Isn't it? It's from our hand. It is with us. Complement. Some compliments are getting no. No. Compliments.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not.
ma'am.
It is not with us. Same concept you apply this here also. Complement means it should be in the universal set. It should not be with that particular set. So complement. There you go. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement of a set is a set of all elements. It is complement of a set is the set of all elements is a set of all elements in the universal set. In the universal set, very important. Okay, universal set which are not in set A, which are not in set A. If you are considering the name, if you are giving name to that particular set as A, we can say it as the complement is denoted as A complement. That is, it is denoted by A complement. A complement. Complement of A. This is read as A dash. That means A complement. Read as A dash. Okay. Example. Right now. Universal set. It should be in universal set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A is equal to set 2, 5. Then what about A dash? That A dash means universal set minus set A. If you need, you write, or directly you write. That is better. A dash is equal to set. Tell me.
1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4. A complement. Then question number 9, 10. 6th, x square minus 9x minus 10. No need that. For time being, that is what x square minus h is a quadratic equation, no need. 7th, true or false, no need. 8th, true or false, no need. The 9th question, given universal set, 9th and 10th we can do. Then 11th no need. So 9th and 10th, okay. Now we can do 9th and 10th. 9th question. Completed this one?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete.
Ma'am.
Okay, then write the 9th question. Complement question. Given universe.
Can you move it up?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you
we
the
can't
board?
see the board.
Okay. Now it's okay. Now you can know.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
Given universal, okay. Given universal set is equal to set of all x's such that x belongs to n, 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35. Set of all x, universal set is given as set of all x such that x belongs to n, 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35, and A is given as set of all x such that x belongs to n, that is x less than or equal to 16, and B is given as set of all x such that x greater than 29 only, not equal to, greater than 29. Find A complement, first one, then second one is B complement. So for finding A complement, we have to find out set A, no? Then universal set also we want to convert it into roster form. So first, if we get this type of questions, what we have to do first? First we want to convert.
Convert it into roster form.
Which one first we will do?
The universal set.
Universal set, okay. Universal set. So x belongs to n and 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35 means what will be in between?
10 and 35.
10,
10 to 30.
11, 12, 13, 14. No, don't write etc. and at last you write 35. Okay. Etc. 35. 10 to 35, all numbers are there. No, that's why we are writing etc. Etc. up to 35, that is a universal set. Then A we want to write in roster form. X belongs to n and x less than or equal to 16. X less than or equal to 16 means A. How can we write A?
265.
From where we have to?
We have to start from 10.
10 to 16.
10 to 16. 10 to 16 only. Or we want to take from 1? Another
No, ma'am. In universal
no.
it is
10.
Set is given as from 10 to 35. So don't bother about 1 to 9. Universal set is from 10 to 35 only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understand.
Yes, ma'am.
So A, no, A is given as what? Less than or equal to 16. So 10, 11, 12,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16.
16. Then B. X greater than 29.
30, 31, 32,
30, 31,
35.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
30, 31, 30, 33, 34, 30. We have to find out A complement, no? How can we find A complement? A complement means
17, 18, 19 to 35.
it should be in the universal set, but it should not be in the set A. So 10 to 16 is not in A. So remaining numbers Up to 35.
17 to 35.
19, 20, 21, 22, etc. 35. A complement. Then what about B complement?
10 to 29.
Set.
10 to 29.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. to 29. Why? Because from 30 up to 35, we have B. So B complement will be the remaining numbers. Okay. Then last question, question number 10. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Any problem? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Heavy rain here. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 10. After that we can wind up. Next is union and intersection. Tomorrow we can take union and intersection. So after this we can stop.
One more the phone with lab.
Huh?
Move the
We can't see the upper portion of
Can't
the
see
board.
that.
That I will adjust.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So given universal set is equal to set of all x belongs to set such that -6 less than x less than or equal to 6. N is given as set of all n such that n is a non-negative number. And P is equal to set of all x's such that x is a non-positive number. Find.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Why? Just leave the meeting and just re-enter due to rain, I think. What about others?
We can see you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Sometimes due to rain only. Leave the meeting and just suddenly you re-enter. So universal set. Universal set is given as x belongs to set. So how can we write -6 less than x less than or equal to 6. So universal set in between less than x less than or equal to 6.
-5.
-5, -4, -3,
-3.
-4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Okay. Since it is equal sign is there, so we should write 6. Here no equal sign, that's why we are not writing -6. So -5 onwards. The next n. N is given as what? N is equal to what? From
Non-negative.
0,
non-negative numbers.
0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6.
Then P is equal to
6,
non-positive.
-5, -4,
-5, -4, -3, -2, -1.
-1. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we can't avoid that 0. 0 you should write. Okay. 0 has no
Okay,
sign.
ma'am.
Both you should write. In positives and negatives you should write it as 0. Neither positive nor negative. So we have to find out n dash now. N dash. What can we find? N dash is equal to N. Here, universal set.
Negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1.
4, negative 3, negative 2, negative
Negative 1.
negative 1. Then P dash is equal to
0, 1, 0,
1. 1, 2, 3, 4,
P
5,
dash
6.
0, 0.
No, ma'am. 0 is already written.
0 is
2,
the
3, 4,
repeated. Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to this completed. Next today, tomorrow, new topic. A union B, addition and subtraction. Same model. We study addition and subtraction. So sets, addition and subtraction, we will say it as union and intersection and all. Union and intersection. 2 plus 3, 5.
Thank you.
No, same way. Okay. So sets operations we will take tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all of you. If any doubt,
Thank you,
please.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.